If you've been wondering whether you can make your own saline nasal spray, the answer is yes. Homemade saline nasal spray is a great way to give your sinuses a little TLC to stay healthy all year long. It makes it easy to flush your sinuses at home if you're feeling a little congested. Making your own saline nasal spray also saves money, and it's fun and easy to do. First, you'll need amber glass spray bottles with a spray nozzle. I got these on Amazon and I'll link them below. These will need to be sterilized, and you can easily do this by either washing them thoroughly with really hot water and soap, or you can run them through the dishwasher. I also have a small clean jar, a glass measuring cup, and 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoon. So what's the best homemade saline solution? Normally saline solution is about 0.9% salt, and that's a similar ratio to what's found in our tears. The ratio I use is 1 cup of water with 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. So you'll need 8 ounces of sterilized water. You can use distilled water that you buy at the grocery store or drugstore. This will make your saline nasal spray sterile and last longer without having to boil water. Regarding the type of salt, we're using 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt that does not have any added iodine. Some of you have asked me if you can use table salt. Personally, I prefer to use sea salt instead of regular table salt, and I don't use iodized salt either. We're also using a pinch of baking soda to make it more soothing, but this is optional. This gentle saline solution can even be used with babies and small children. So to make our solution, let's first measure out 8 ounces of distilled water and add the 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and pinch of baking soda. Stir it well to dissolve all of the salt. Pour it into the glass bottles. You can keep one out for 24 hours and store any remaining nasal saline solution in your glass jar in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. After that, I like to make fresh batches to avoid any bacteria growing. I hope you enjoy making your own homemade saline nasal spray. It's fun, easy, and a great money saver.